or backwards. Okay, so far it can go. All right, so this right here helps to lock it into alignment. This tie lock right here, it helps lock it into alignment. Oh, there you go. That's the tie lock. And I slipped it through. Let me see if I can show you. I slipped it through that second one, that second hole in the training wheels. And I brought it around. See it? See it right there? I brought it through that hole on the other side. That's the hole on the other side right there. And then put it through and tied it. Okay, so this is how it's one way it's attached to the trimmer. Okay, and the dowel is underneath it, so it's helping stabilize it. So now all I have to do now is take another reusable tie lock and attach it, the dowel, to the training wheel. So I'll go ahead and do that. Okay, I'll find the hole to put it in. Okay, I'll put it in. Okay, I'll do it like this. Okay, I'll put it bolt and that bolt right there at the bottom that we put through the small hole. I attached it there. So I'll let you see it after I attach it. There you go. Okay, I'll show you. That's how I attached it. You remember that bolt? See? I put the tie lock around that bolt and then attached it to the dial. Here's the bottom view. See the bolt? Ran it through the bolt and opened it in the bolt and attached it. Okay, so that keeps it stabilized. That's a stabilizer. Let me turn it around and show you how it looks, where it's locked at. Okay, so now if we put this down, basically, as you can see now, it's rolling. But we got one more step. Okay, other step is this right here. What I do is this room right here. Let me turn around. Turn this around. Workbench here, so you can see it. You see that right there? That's where this wheel goes. So I just slide it in, and this helps lock down. It helps more stabilize and lock this, keeps this to the trimmer. Okay, help to the trimmer. And what do? I take another reusable tie lock. Find the space right there. Let me see if it's good too. There you go. Slid it underneath the dial right there in that corner, little corner, and bringing it up. Turned it around the wrong way. Let me turn it up. Okay, like that. And I'm attaching it to this wheel for more stabilization, so it can keep it to the body. It helps stabilize it and keep this whole the front chassis stabilized and attached. Now it's attached to this wheel. Okay, I can put another one right here also. Let me show you. See that? Let me show you the bottom. See, I ran it through there and attached it there. Now That helps stabilize it. Now, I can put another one, tie lock, right here if I choose. Also, remember, these are reusable tie locks, so they're not, I can take them off at any time. So that's what I did. I tightened another one, put another one right there. See that? Okay. So that's how it's looking. Now let me see. Do I need another one anywhere? Okay. Oh, did I tighten up everything? Oh, now I gotta finish and tighten up this right here. Okay, this bottom screw. I can use a screw, pair of pliers. If you need 2 pair of pliers, you can use 2 pair of pliers. And I'll just tighten it up a little bit. Okay, let's see. It's tight. It's not gonna move. I can use my hand, my fingers to tighten it. Okay. So basically it's done. Move this out the way. Slide my tools out the way. And let's see the result of what we got. Okay. Now, there it is right there. Let me move this back a little bit so you can see it. Camera back. I moved the camera back a little bit. Sorry about that. But I want to give you a good view of the trimmer mower. The trimmer mower that I put the attachments on to create a trimmer mower for the Hyper Tough 40-volt max cordless 13-inch string trimmer. It has 2 batteries, okay? And as you see now, it's stable. And I've already checked it with the grass level, and it's perfect for it's not real thick grass, but you know, you got grass out front between the sidewalk and the streets, or you know, grass that's growing up a little bit, and you don't have a lawnmower, and it's a good bit of space, grass area, and you can use this, and when you turn it on and everything, it stays even, and it cuts the grass. And one good benefit about this is that using it to try to cut a whole area of grass, you know what happens. Sometimes you go down, you're too close to the grass and you cut into the grass, okay? And you don't want that. So that's what gave me the idea, and that's what happened. I was cutting into the grass. So what gave me the idea is to create a trimmer mower for the Hyper Tough 40-volt max cordless 13-inch string trimmer, where I can do it myself. Okay, and all I gotta do is turn it on, okay, and there you go. I'll let you see that. And it rolls. Put that right there. There you go. This is a beautiful product too. I love it. Okay. So I'll let you see that side. I'll turn it on the other side. And make sure you have this knob right here tightened so that the wheels go up and down. Okay. It's perpendicular to the ground. And then you just go and cut, and it stays perfectly lined. Now, later you have to take it apart and everything, but I've shown you how to put it together. There you go. Without having to go to the store and buy any attachment, I made one myself. Look how stable that is. Okay. Turn it around slow. And that's it, folks. Hit the like button if you like what you see, and subscribe, okay, to my channel. And my name is Glenn Lee. I'll show you the back end. And this is the Hyper Tough 40 volt max cordless 13-inch string trimmer. Okay, that I used attachments, bought attachments for, and I created a trimmer mower.